Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter in this Whirlpool refrigerator. Let's get started. Whirlpool recommends that you change the water filter every 6 months, when the indicator light comes on, or as needed. You may need to change your filter earlier if you're seeing a decrease in water flow to the ice maker or the dispenser. This may result in smaller ice cubes or longer dispense times, which means that your water filter is possibly clogged. If you need a new water filter for your fridge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. With the door open, depress the locking tab on the water filter housing. Next, lower the water filter so you can grab it. If it is stuck, you can use a tool like a screwdriver to gently pry it down. Then, turn the filter counterclockwise until it releases. If you find it difficult to remove the filter, you can always turn off the water supply to the refrigerator, drain the water through the dispenser, then try again. To install the filter, align it, then push and turn clockwise to lock it in place, and push it back up. Then, close the filter housing. To reset the change water filter indicator light, press and hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds. Finally, dispense approximately 1 to 2 gallons of water to purge the system and to flush the protective coating out of the new filter. That's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.